guys? UDRC here, back with another vid. Got the DR10 here, got a new color purple. You guys seen me unboxing. I'm gonna try to do it just like it's the first unboxing as well for the new people that's getting into the drag racing scene. Again, it's the Team Associated DR10. This is a ready-to-run kit. They run about $319 or so. All right, it's a 10-scale two-wheel drive, no prep car, rubber tires, pre-painted body, 2.4 gigahertz radio, and you pretty much $319 and you have something to go out there and just have fun with. I would say it would take little minor upgrades like the gearing, the pinion gear. Definitely one thing I would do automatically just to give you a little more top speed because it's a little slow out the box. But other than that, just for getting into no prep racing, it is a great buy and it's a great choice to start off with. All right, so I'll go ahead and get out the box so we can see what this new purple body looks like, guys. Okay. Definitely. Alright, so let me it's hard to decide if you can see it. What it looks like. It's that new purple. I actually like it. It's not too bad. I'm sure it's gonna be like a lot brighter, but I do like it a lot. It looks pretty good. Alright, so open it up. You see you got your little manual here sitting on the side. Alright. Now with the manual, you have extra wheels in here. So I get it out for you guys. Alright. So the manual, you get extra wheels, different size for the wheelie bar. Get a bigger wheel so you can tune the wheelie bar. Shock spacers, body mounts, a little tool kit. Wheel wrench, Allen key, shock tool, it's right here. Alright. Then you have your radio manual, XP120. Alright, 2.4 gigahertz radio. You have like other little, little pamphlets and whatnot. And you have your sticker sheet that comes with the DR10. You have to cut them. I'm not sure if they cut it for you, Still have to cut them out, and then you can stick them onto the car. So it doesn't come with any stickers on it right now. All right, you got those, and then you have your manual. All right, you have your manual here. Purple DR10 booklet here. It has all the part numbers that you would need. Even have diagrams on how to even rebuild the car. It's kind of like the manuals you get when you get the kits. It's pretty detailed. Give you step-by-step part numbers, every good thing like that. So I actually like this manual for this car. All right, and then you get a little certificate. Basically, I guess like quality control type of deal. All right. Alright, that's just to show you the manual, tool bags, all that good stuff that comes with it. And you got a little bind plug here as well. You have to like rebind or something, the radio. Alright, so let's put our stuff back in there. Alright, and then we get to the good stuff, guys. You get to see this car. I know this purple is my daughter's favorite color. So we'll see. She's been driving my DR10 over the summer. She has a Slash that she's been, doing a little drag racing with me and my son. But hers is still the stock Slash look. All right, put this book to the side, and let's get the car out, guys. All right, so let me get the radio out of here. Radio. I'll show you guys that here in a little bit. Alright, now for the car. pins. Alright, get the body for you. You see that? So it has like a little oil here, look like one of the shocks. It's probably leaking on this guy. See a little oil stain right here. Definitely have to look at that. But this is the body. This purple does look pretty cool. Alright, and then let's get the car out. Out. Alright guys, this is the car. Alright. Put the body back on first so you can see what it look like. Alright. You can adjust the body so the front sits, you know, the body sits a little lower. Definitely will help you in the drag racing. Alright. So this is her, guys. Purple DR10. Front view. So I'll bring the camera a little closer as well so you guys can see it a lot better. Here we go, guys. This is the new DR10 color. Same car, nothing changed, just the color, I believe. Alright. And again, this is the radio that comes with. 2.4 gigahertz. You have the ability to see the dials here. You can adjust the EPAs, which you can, like for instance, when my kids drive it for the first time or drive mine, I usually turn the dual rates down for the throttle. I turn it down to like 4, so it's not like full power, so they can definitely drive. You can also adjust how much steering the car can have and all that good stuff. So it's pretty cool for the ready to run radio. And back to the car, guys. So this is the car. I know when they first came out, they were having issues with the trim of the body. Body's getting, you know, was damaged. Oil leaking. I definitely see the right oil shock, right shock. It's leaking on this one. It seems like, anyways. But not a big deal. I just top it off and keep it moving. Yeah, but so far as the body on this guy, just looking at it real quickly, not too much. I don't really see anything wrong with it, except for, I guess, the oil stain. But again, just the body. Go off the side. Take a look at the car, guys. So this is the car. So looking at the shock. So the body mount looked like it had some grease on it, which was probably from that shock. But again, not a big deal. I'll check it out later. Probably just top it off with some fluid. But yeah, this is the car, guys. Again, I know a lot of guys already seen this car. I'm just kind of doing it just for maybe somebody's getting into the getting into no-prep for the first time, and this is maybe the video they saw. So I kind of give them as much information as I can as far as showing them the car so they see what they're gonna get. Comes with Dean's connectors. You see that? Dean's connectors. I put XT90 on mine. ESC's right here. So, all right, and then you have your motor back here. All right, it's a 3300 kV motor. All right, radio box is right here. It has the DVC on the ESC, which is like dynamic vehicle control. Basically, it's TSM, traction control, you know, whatever you want to call it. All right, you can turn it down. Like I said, I think when I first started running, I think I had mine on like the lowest setting. For it doesn't really help much, but it had a little bit in it. Right now, it's probably super aggressive, but maybe they fixed that. From the first batch out there, your car was pretty much shaking a lot. It was turned up so much. So just some quick tips I can tell you for what I've seen in my cars. So I mean, these tires they work good for just, you know, when you first start, but you want to definitely break these tires in to get some traction. But I will say, you want to go ahead and get you some Hoosiers or some Hotties or some Raw Speeds or just something else other than these stock tires. You will pick up a few miles an hour, and the car's a lot stable with some upgraded tires on it. Check your steering. Mine used to get stuck. It would never go back to like true, the zero position. It was kind of getting stuck, so I took these screws up here off, and then kind of loosened up the steering crank and stuff like that, and then made it loose, and you were good to go with that. Any other issue I had? So as far as the gearing, I would say just start with like 24 tooth pinion in here. I think it comes with an 18. Just throw a 24 tooth in here with an 87 spur, and just start from there. It'll be a lot faster than what it is, and then eventually you're probably going to change the ESTL chassis. Who knows? But just for getting in, I would say definitely get a 24 tooth pinion. You can run on these tires just to kind of get your feet wet, but then I'll get some tires, Hoosiers, Hotties, all that good stuff, Reacts, just whatever, just something different as far as the tire go. And just have fun, man. Lower the car as far as like these clips. You can take some of these clips out, so the car sits a little lower. And just have fun. Just learn the car, and then there's a lot of videos out there you can watch. Get information on the no prep, and just how far you want to go with it. All right. Again, just doing a quick unboxing and just showing you guys the new purple DR10, guys. All right. Again, as usual, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.